What's going on, everybody? Today, I got scared. You got scared. Today, you guys, we're putting gems in our mouths. And then here's the gems, you guys. There it is. All right. Oh, hold on.
Wait now.
All I'm doing is putting gems in my mouth. It's cute, but it's very uncomfortable. This is the resin. Okay. Is it too much? I'm doing too much, huh?
47, guarda.
What's up, y'all? Don't mind me with no makeup on. I decided to leave just kind of no makeup, no nothing. It's not an overnight trip, but almost. We're leaving kind of late and we're arriving even later, so. What's up, y'all? This is the reason why I love traveling at night, because that was super fast. We just made it to New York. I'm so happy to be here. Damn, I hope I'm not giving anybody like any attacks or flashbacks with these damn lights.
You know what GPS said, make a left turn on bus stop it, like bus stand. So that's where I call you. Why are you taking me?
Ah, got you. Yes, can you open the trunk? Thank you. I'm so happy to be home. Gosh, I just woke up. It's a big day ahead of us. So we're gonna get ready. I got all my stuff laid out. Okay, so we have a slight problem. I gotta go. Like, I have to get out of the house because I have a meeting. This is the situation outside currently. New York, you foul for this. You really foul for this. I don't know, y'all. I'm like lost for words right now. This is insane. Hopefully the snowstorm is gonna come down just a little bit so that we can shoot the stuff that we intended to shoot. I'm excited. Bring you guys along this vlog. Are you T11? It's content day, y'all. It's a little calm day. I'm not in line. Oh, okay. Let's go see some art. Oh, and by the way, yeah, we are. Where we at?
Brooklyn Museum. Yeah, let's get it, man. We outside.
We outside.
Yeah, but we outside. Me and Ludo, though.
Yeah.
It's not focused on me, but it's alright, though.
Really? I never been here.
We outside, baby. Yeah. Go.
There you go. So pretty already. Be a better content creator and actually deliver y'all the behind the scenes. So look at that. This is so beautiful. This is such a beautiful space, y'all. I'm so happy that we're here today. And by the way, shout out to my nail girl Lajada for making these customs again. Once again, you did it again, girl. This time I picked this star glitter kind of theme, and then the bottom is the yellow orange ombre. I just don't like to be basic, y'all, and I want to bring originality in everything I do. So nail art is an art form, so this is why I do it. I did not like shut out my fit at all. This is what I got on today. Calm little vibe. And then I got the butters. Nah, I'm just playing. No butters. I never heard nobody with that name. Oh my Jesus.
It's still recording, right?
I'm still recording. Damn, sorry, y'all. That's where I put my hoop.
It's brick outside.
It's brick out here.
Brick out here.
How do I
It's
say?
brick outside.
Yo, it's
That sound like-
brick.
Like, yo, nah,
Don't
it's
make me
brick
sound like a
outside.
man. I don't.
Nah, even the shorties
Say it
sound
like a-
that.
Okay.
Listen, right? Look.
Yeah.
Let me see something. Look.
Okay.
If you from New York, you come to New York, you gotta be like, yo, nah, it's brick outside. Cause it's brick outside.
Nah, it's brick outside.
Right, I
Boom.
see you in the spot, right? I could approach you like, yo, what's the vibes? If you upstairs.
We're going upstairs. Upstairs. In Atlanta, we just like, what the vibe is? To the vlog.
Shit, man, we outside, day in the life of Ludovica in New York.
In all business. We can. And we got a whole concert.
And like crowded down here, as you can see.
What is it? So Jug and I just shot the train performance. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. Okay. Oh, I love the white. Can I see it?
David? Yeah. Have a look like
Hey. Look down at the camera.
Thank you guys, appreciate it.
Pressure be like, no.
Let's go. We're gonna do the video.
Yeah, ready? Go. Check it. So earlier today I tagged IG that they need to stop playing with me. Tell me why they blocked all my DMs, y'all. I am exhausted. How the day went. Very happy, very super satisfied about everything. I'm super glad everything turned out amazing. And yeah, y'all, like a full day of content. Shit. Okay, I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm gonna have to. I'm literally closing out this video on the toilet. We literally made content from 12 p.m. until 7 p.m. Like, literally crazy. Tomorrow morning, or today, I have my cousin's baby shower. Gosh, it's beautiful. My nephew's coming in March. We're about to have a beautiful baby shower. Let me show you what I'm doing. So these are all the gifts that I have to move from the bedroom to the living room. And yeah, I'll show you the living room. This is where we're gonna have the food. I'm setting up the chairs for gifts. Okay, I'm putting the gifts in the chest, and then the bigger gifts, like the big Amazon boxes, are going underneath the desk. Okay, y'all, and it's time that I reveal my gift for her. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. This was recommended to me by my best friend Tiana. She's had a kid already. Everybody gives mothers like baby stuff, and she's like, give me something for the mom. So this is like a bath set of natural stuff. And also thank you to my other best friend Taya for the recommendation of the other gift that I give to her during Christmas. And then these are from my mom. And a couple of onesies. They're a little bit bigger, but I feel like he's gonna grow into them. Okay, my cousin has consensually agreed to be vlogged. It's baby shower day. It's the baby shower Big Billy. We're doing my cousin's makeup for her baby shower. I get to do her makeup. Huh? Yes, come sempre. My cousin is saying, I don't know when you're talking to me and when you're talking on the phone. Shout out to Rooted. These are custom pants from Inglewood, California. I'm starting to realize I can pretty much do anything, you guys. I dye hair, I do makeup, I sing. Huh?
Qua, perché uso 4 cose e basta, e le altre cose si impolverano. So, evidente
Questo.
questa,
Questo means this. Little Italian lesson for y'all.
questa,
Ok.
perché
Abbastanza usato questo.
perché certe volte non mi metto, cioè non metto il fondotinta,
Oh.
mi metto solamente il...
Wait. We don't have no foundation?
No, ce l'ho, ma
Ok.
non lo uso, non lo metto mai.
Can we use it today?
I know.
Because it's
Are you
a
sure?
party.
Adesso I don't party anymore, that's the problem.
Yeah. Joya
Yeah,
became a wife and a mother. She doesn't go clubbing or partying, right?
For a long time.
For a long time. How long has it been?
Oh, a lot, from when I married. It's his fault.
It's his fault. You
It's
said
the-
soccer, you don't go either. So some people said that I'm up next in having a child.
Yeah. It's up to you
It is up to me, but it's also up to
to find the real meat,
somebody.
the good meat,
Not
the
me is crazy.
not the fake American meat.
That's facts.
Personally,
I will just use whatever you think makes your skin more
This is for you.
glowy.
And
Wow, we came prepared. Joya has everything, you guys.
so this is more so on the pink, create a moon effect. I like more darker,
Okay.
but again, you can play. I like a lot, you know,
The browns.
the brown.
Okay,
yeah.
so you do have eyeshadows. We can try it and do a smoky thing. But I don't want to go too heavy on your eyes because, first of all, it's daytime.
Yeah.
So you don't want to go like too
Much
dark.
heavy, yeah.
Yeah. First time I do my cousin's makeup.
Ciao.
Ciao.
I'm pretty sure there is alcohol inside, so it makes me go water in the house.
Are you allergic?
No, I'm allergic.
Hi, Ashley.
Oh, not yet. Not yet. She's
Sorry, y'all. So the decorator came by and we had to change. We had to rearrange our position right now.
the spray.
Okay, this is going.
Okay, let
If
me-
you want,
Yeah. This is gonna be great.
Hold on. I'm getting a call.
welcome to the jungle.
Thank you.
Welcome to New York.
Oh my gosh, we gotta get contact information.
Yeah,
I wanna just.
You got Instagram?
Yeah, I do.
So happy.
I just would like to get into that. You know, I don't have
Absolutely.
the avenue, the people, the contacts yet. So that's a good color for the green. It's
pretty
a
good, huh?
contrast.
It's just
Yeah.
like that. If I put also these, that under here, with too much colors. I don't know.
Do you want
She's
the blue
scared
or do
to
you wanna
overdo
try
it, but
I trust that it's not because I remove.
yes. But I think you like it.
If I put red, I look like a lip. Sorry, lip became so big.
What's wrong with big lips? Okay, wait.
Okay. Oh, it's sticky.
Beauty is pain. Beautiful.
Oh,
This is definitely my cousin.
man.
I know. This
Oh,
is
this
the
is strong.
Ludovica
It's so good.
touch.
And drinks over there.
Sure, yes.
These lips are big.
We look alike now.
We look alike.
Yes.
You
This is
look
the
alike
makeup.
this cousin.
Yes.
Sure, yes, yeah. Oh, I think
Yes.
so.
But you keep on smacking your lips and
are-
removing
we
your
are
lipstick.
different.
Oh, your dad's the musician.
Huh?
Her dad is the musician.
Yeah.
The conductor.
Yeah. It's him. Yeah.
He's the musician. Joy told about him.
Yeah. Why are you doing that?
I'm just like moving my lips. Yes, he's the musician.
Ah, that's in your blood.
not a white mozzarella.
Ah, you were a tanner.
Because, you know, in Italy, you go more to the beach.
Yep.
I'm wondering if we get some food going. Birdies. It was like,
You wanna look?
and
What do you think?
I look
I was looking at the weather and it was like,
You look good.
you know what
Full head of makeup.
whatever
Or, I
choice
mean,
right?
hair. Okay, so compromise, we can do half up, half down. You know?
And it's got a little
Yeah.
bit to it, which is
Che c'avevi nei capelli
by the door.
quando ti sei sposata era di tua mamma?
No, l'ho ordinata
Maybe straight.
su Amazon, $5.
What ribbon? Ribbon? String or ribbon?
A lot of the visitors came in already. I did my cousin's makeup. This is how it turned out. Her hair looks amazing. Baby bump looking bumping. So I'm having to take my cousin out of the house for like a little bit because they're setting up something in the house that we can't talk about yet, that she can't see. So I'm taking her to the patio to take some more pictures.
Okay, yeah.
You think she might get?
Okay, guessing what gift she might get. Okay.
And then if you get it, you can cross that off, right? That's
Okay.
Like, oh, like you got that gift that was listed.
So got it. So whoever gets more right wins.
So if you get 3 in a row, then you're gonna go bingo, right?
Oh my gosh. Look at the tray, y'all. This is like, gosh, and the table. Y'all did this. Y'all did this. This is so beautiful. Oh my god.
East New York. Further that way. Yeah. It's far away. It's far away. Yeah. Yeah. For them especially, they have to do that.
I know, you're good where you are.
But those that are left.
Just one more night, and I'm coming off this long and winding road.
Let me briefly explain what we're doing today. So I already dressed up and I did my hair. And we're getting ready to go to a casting call / event. Now I'm just gonna do my makeup and then I'll show you guys the final result. What's up, y'all? So just to give you guys an update from before, I told y'all that I was gonna do my makeup and get ready. So obviously I'm here at the casting call. So it is not like late at all. event went amazing, you guys. Like, I know I'm sorry I couldn't update you while it was happening, but I put in some of the footage from it, so I hope it gave you guys an idea of how lit it was. And yeah, I got casted in the TV show, so I am officially a Breezy angel. Shout out to Breezy. And basically, I'll keep you guys posted on when we're gonna start shooting for the TV show. Meantime, I'm gonna listen to some music, probably edit some stuff.